Welcome everyone. So today we are in Spring Valley, a beautiful 2-story home, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. Asking price is $895. Your living space is 2,321 square feet and your lot is 6,098 square feet. So very spacious on the inside and out. We will be here today from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and we'll be back tomorrow 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So I hope to see you soon. So as you enter, to your left, you are going to have your garage. Good size garage. And from the garage to your right, you have a huge, spacious living area. Very high ceilings. It's beautiful. So we're gonna keep straight to your kitchen. Plenty of storage. Off of the kitchen, you have a beautiful sunroom, very spacious. So now we are going to head out this beautiful sunroom to the backyard. Have a storage area there. Here's your grass area. And we're just gonna go right around this backyard here. This is a beautiful backyard. So many areas to make your own. Okay, so we are back in the kitchen. And so when you come in, right? So now we are going to make a left at the stairway. Straight ahead, you're going to have your first full bath. And you have your storage straight ahead. So from here, we are going to make a left. We're going to enter the first bedroom downstairs. This room is a great size. And then look at that closet. Can't get the whole closet in the frame. So straight ahead from this first bedroom, you have a door here that gives you access to that first bathroom. Okay, from that first bedroom, straight ahead, you have another door, and it is a huge closet, currently a pantry, but of course you can use that closet for whatever you choose. Very spacious. So to the right of that closet, you have another bedroom. Each room is very spacious. So we are gonna head upstairs. And we are gonna go to the left. Into this huge loft. Look at those windows. It's absolutely beautiful. So from the loft, you are gonna go straight ahead into your third bedroom. Another very large bedroom. You have your walk-in closet. Straight ahead, you are going to have another full bath. Okay, so you are going to go to your left, where you have another huge closet. Now you're going to enter your master. The rooms in this home is just amazing. So spacious, lots of natural light. And then you are going to go into your master suite. And your closet.